Hello everyone. So I'm inside Walmart and I thought I would share with you some of the Christmas gifts, like these gift sets that are available. I was headed to the Christmas decor, but these kind of stopped me in my tracks. I thought maybe some of you would appreciate seeing them. They have some DIY material here to keep the kiddos busy, also yourself, and then they have these makeup cases and bath sets, all sorts of stuff. So I'll share with you what I'm seeing here. This looks nice. Actually, kind of has an organic feel to it. This is really light. There's a mirror on the one side. And then they have these beautiful gift baskets. Big sets here of bath bombs and Barbie theme. But we will head over there. So I'm not sure if this is just the beginning of them putting out Christmas things. I feel like there's more to come, but we'll go through the store. I'll find some of the places that they have Christmas items. This is really pretty actually, and for $4.97. I might consider that. Well, it's quite similar to the Dollar Tree one, isn't it? The other one is not as plushy looking, but you could even DIY something like that. Look at this. You can DIY these with the Dollar Tree rope and two of their bells. It doesn't have to be brown, it can be white, right? Yeah, that's not too bad. You can add little pieces and wood beads. Take a look at the ornaments here. They have little box sets. Balls. Oh, I love these. Oh my gosh, I love them. Now the wheels are spinning in my head. I'm like, do I change some things out? There's a bunch of ornaments here. Reasonably priced, I have to say, because they're not even $1. And then they have, oh, this is cute. This is super cute. You can even personalize it. Oh, I like these colors. Okay, so things to think about here. He's cute. He's got a little clip. Yeah, I like the cream. They have these bells as well in different colors. I know that they were on the other side as well, but just in case, because I got so excited, they do have red. Here's another little elf. Almost has the same pattern hat as the little stocking boot, the little boots at Dollar Tree. So far Walmart has some things. They're not really, like I love these, but I wish they were separated. I don't like that they're a heart shape. Oh my. So they'll definitely stay behind. Little gingerbread man. That's really popular this year, the gingerbreads. And all the glitter. Gotta love the glitter. Okay, so many ornament ball packages here. Garland. Stockings. These are cute. Actually, my daughter's initial. I just wish people would put things back where they belong after they touch them. I don't know why. Just hang them back where you found them. I don't know what's so hard about that. It just makes shopping so much more enjoyable for everybody else, right? If you put your things back after you touch them. I mean, kids probably do touch stuff, but I love this pink paper. The little tree is super cute. Teal and pink is really in, or whatever that color is, kind of a green. What else do they have here? Tags, more paper. I'm really gravitating towards these interesting patterns and a little bit different than the traditional, right? Really cute. I think this is the paper crafter in me. I gravitate towards wrapping paper that I do not need. I have enough wrapping paper to last me an entire lifetime. Let's take a look at some other home decor. Otherwise, I'm going to end up putting rolls in my cart that I don't need. How pretty are these? They're actually very reasonably priced considering how large they are. And then they have some nutcrackers, really nice. So they have some really nice large boxes, gift boxes. These remind me so much of the Dollar Tree ones that were available a couple of years ago, but they were more like this size. These are really large, I have to say. They're not the same size as the Dollar Tree ones. So they have some pink embellishment type things here. some gift card holders. This is actually not too bad. And you can use them for paper crafts too. So that's the one thing. I love paper crafts. I always look at Christmas little things like this. Oh, do I need this for paper crafting? Now this is like, I don't know. I guess you just put a gift card in there, but I'm not paying $3 for a cup, and it's a cardboard cup. Yeah, so there's one per. These are 10 pack. I gotta look at them, do the math. I think there's 3 boxes like that in the Dollar Tree kits. 3, yeah, so you're still saving yourself some money. And then the moody darks are really in this year. I don't know if you've noticed that, but like really nice dark navy blues, midnight blues. Those two look cute together. Is the red truck popular still this year for Christmas, or have we moved on to a different theme? Oh, these match. It's a sweater print. It matches those little booties. This is cute for $90 for real. Some more natural things with the flocked, and then they have the neutral there. Like the Live Clean hand wash, but I prefer the peppermint one. I'm not sure I would use this one. Do you decorate with inflatables for Christmas? Unfortunately, where I am, these would blow away, but I'll share with you that they do have the Grinch and the Night Before Christmas and some other cute Disney options here. I want to share how these will look against the flock versus the natural pine tree. I don't know about the plaid. What do you think? So this is what they look like. What do you think of the contrast? I like them on the natural. This is a fantastic deal. $5 for all of them. I paid $10 last year for these. They're great stocking stuffers. And games, if you're looking for a family night gift basket, if you want to do that for a family as a Christmas gift or even birthday gift, family night movie basket. These are always great, wonderful games to throw in one of those baskets. To be honest, I think that the prices on these baskets are a bit too pricey, so I would recommend going to like a TJX store such as Marshall's, HomeSense, Home Goods, especially if you're putting together a gift. And as I was just walking to the front of the store, I noticed this, the twinkle line that we find at Dollar Tree, and some of the stuff is identical. However, the sprinkle bottles are huge, so a little bit different. Like, look how big these are. I really like this color, the pink. It's like a pearlescent. So I found all the mugs, and I'm really excited to share them all with you. They're reasonably priced. I don't find that the quality sometimes is very good. They do break easier. I'm not sure if it's certain ones over others, but I have a couple mugs from Walmart, unfortunately, have not. And I didn't even use them regularly. These trays are really pretty. If anyone has found a really nice mug that has held up well, these have like a raw texture along the bottom, let us know. Like, these are so pretty, but I'm afraid. I'm just afraid that they'll chip along the top. I have the cutest gnome mug. Oh, these are fun. The little gingerbreads. So I have a cute gnome. These ones were breaking so much last year. I saw so many of them damaged. So I just don't know. Super cute stuff. Very novelty-like items. Perfect if you're doing a staging, a coffee bar, a tea bar, a hot cocoa bar, or something like that. They have so many options here. And then they have these neutral, really pretty. I love them. I'm so tempted, but I do not need any more mugs. I'm holding off. But how pretty is this one with the gold handle? They have serving platters here. I don't want to knock anything over. I'm not sure you can see. It's the shape of a tree. Sometimes when it's too high, I can't lift it. These are cute. If you're a little dog lover, they're dressed up as reindeer. And then they also have the water bottles, tumbler water bottles. Some stuff I think left for the fall. Part of the fall line. It looks like some of it's on clearance, but still not perfect deals. These are the new tea towels, I guess, for Christmas time. Winter. Did we see these? I don't think I found this for you. So there's some really nice bed sets. My daughter's been wanting something, so I thought we would take a peek. And these are cute. They're actually reusable, unlike the other ones we saw. And here is just an overlook of some of the trees and stuff that are going to be available. I think I'm going to head out. I have to actually do some grocery shopping. So I'll leave you with some of the inflatables. And until next time, everyone, thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.